What is up, YouTube, and welcome to episode 5 of my trading journey towards proper payouts. Today I want to share another trade with you, and this is indeed another stop loss. So that's basically 3 losing trades in a row. 2 times I lost 0.5% like the normal risk, and 1 time I lost $20, which I managed to market close my position because of some other reasons. You can definitely check that out in the previous episode, because I've explained why I just took that trade as a break even and then not decided to let it run or anything. This was another big fat L. I've wrote a lot of points down for myself that I want to go over in this video why I should not have taken this trade, but I still did, and that's why it's another loss. I did not follow up to my strategy. And before we get into the technicals, let's go over the Excel sheet and see what's going on my journey now. Looking at the Excel sheet, this is the trade that I have filled in. It's a $270 loss, and the wallet right now is at 50-50, which is still fine. We're still in profit, but of course, this streak shouldn't have been there, because these trades are all trades that are not really according to the strategy. And recording this now, I can definitely say I've learned from it, because you can see 2 black boxes here, and those are also new trades that I've taken, which I will go over in the next 2 episodes. Let's go over the technicals and see what I could have done better. Okay, looking at the high time frame, I do not want to spend a lot of time going through this, because there's not much to say about this. What we did was we've made a low and a new high, but this low did not manage to break this high, which indicates a full rotation back, probably on our extreme demand, which is right here, which we can expect a reaction from, so we can try breaking this high again. Or we're just going to follow expectation order flow, which is a lower high for a lower low, which is towards this low. So already the high time frame is looking bearish. And if we zoom in a bit more, then we can also see this is just a massive drop. We had a little range here, which distributed on the top, with signs that market makers were involved in pressing the sell button here. And that's why we got that fat expansion towards the downside right there. So why did you want to long this? Well, I can confirm I was watching way too locally here. I wasn't watching my high time frame pivot points, even though I had in the chart I wanted to look for longs there and not right here. The local part of the chart got a bit to my head. So let's get to this local part and see why I took this trade. Looking at the 2 minutes, we had this absolutely valid range. It looks beautiful, and it is beautiful, but we just forgot a little confirmation before entering the trade. We've drawn in the range, which this is our low, this is our high, and then we started moving between those points, which calls for our deviation 1 and our deviation 2. That's basically 3 taps on the bottom, and that could be confirming a rotation towards the other side of the range. We did not do it with this push right here. We just made another liquidity high, and then we went all the way back down and swept extreme liquidity, which is a model 1 overflowing in a model 2 in my system. And then on the 1 minute, that's also where we took the entry. If you've seen probably a few of my trades on the live streams or anything, we want to wait for that break of structure towards the upside in order to start confirming our rotation towards the top side of the range. Well, that good break was actually right there, so it was way too aggressive right here, and we did not even get a local break. These are not valid pullbacks in my opinion, but at the time I probably thought I found it valid pullbacks. We started leaving open these lows, and that's really when I just had to get in this trade and put an order on this BPR right there. Stop loss below the low, and I expected price to rotate towards the opposite side of the range, even though we did not have the confirmation that we could go there yet. So I was really excited there, and that definitely should not have happened. I wrote it down in my book. It's in my Excel sheet. I know what I did wrong. It is literally the third time in a row that I haven't followed my rules, so I have to lock in here. If I want to make this journey work, I need to focus up. I need to start holding my rules, and I need starting taking the trades that I should be taking. This was the recap of episode 5 of my trading journey towards prop firm payouts. Cage is out.